What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to a quick YubiKey guide. In this unsponsored guide, I'll be showing you how to connect YubiKey to your Google account for better two-factor authentication. In the description down below, you'll find a link to myaccount.google.com/security. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account, and when you've done so, you'll see a screen like this. Simply scroll down and click two-step verification. Then more than likely, you'll be asked for your password again. You'll need to enter it once more and sign in. After signing into our account, simply scroll down on the second step verification tab and look for security key. If you already see it at the top, simply click it as you already have one added. Under the additional, I'll click security key, the arrow next to it, and I'll click add a security key. Then you'll get some instructions, and Windows will more than likely ask for you to plug in your security key, Linux, Mac, or whatever operating system you're currently using. If you're using a mobile device, you'll be asked to use NFC or simply plug it in. I'll hit OK, and then it'll ask me to touch my security key. I'll touch it, and upon touching it, it'll set up and link with that security key, where inside of here, I can give it a name, such as say YubiKey. Then I'll hit next, next, and now we've successfully set up a YubiKey on our account here. To test it out, I'll open up a new private tab, and I'll sign into Google. I'll enter my email here, enter my password, and as you can see, it's asking me to tap my security key, which I'll simply tap. And upon doing so, we successfully authenticated our account and our sign-in, and we can choose to not ask on this device again. Then, simple as that, we've now logged into our Google account, and we've successfully linked it to our two-factor security key, in my case, my YubiKey. If you'd like to add another one, click Add Security Key. Then you can simply swap it out if you haven't already, physically in your USBs. I'll click OK, and as you can see, touch my security key, I'll do it, and now we've successfully added a second key. If you try and add the same key, say like this, you'll see couldn't connect, remove your key, reconnect it, then try again. This simply means that we've already added it to our account. So we can't add it again until we remove it. Simple as that, we've now authenticated our account using YubiKey U2F second factor. Anyways, that's about it for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!